Alright guys, so in the previous tutorial we talked about how to build an AI agent from the chatbot, and in this tutorial let's start and move ahead with creating our AI agent. Alright, so we have our chatbot flow over here, and what we want to do now is we want to take these tool calls and enable these tool calls toggle over here from the input prompt and attach these tool calls to the input prompt node. So what it's doing is that it has a two inbuilt tool calls here, this chatbot, and first one is save data and another one is vectordb tool. So we are not going to into the details of vectordb tool, but instead let's enable this save data tool call and go into the settings. So what's happening over here is that when a user goes through this flow, for example, user asks about any query, this query is being processed by this LLM, and the LLM has these tool calls, and what happens is that when you enter this condition over here, the LLM decides whether the user query is passing this condition or not, and when this condition is passing, then user invokes this tool call called save data to save some parameters. So let's move ahead and add some parameters over here. If you remember from our basic AI agent tutorial, let's copy this condition over here and paste it into the condition for invoking this tool call. Alright, and let's add three parameters, and these are the three parameters that we are going to paste. So name, which is name of the user, then contact, of the user, and the third one is product name. All right, name of the product the user is purchasing or ordering. All right, so as you can see that it's a contact of an user here, and over this here phone number of user. So these are the two different parameters, but it doesn't matter unless your meaning of this sentence is the same. All right, because AI can understand the semantically correct words and sentences, so it will automatically connect with the contact, either contact or the phone number. All right, and let's enable these notifications so that I will get an email from the this tool call whenever user orders any item. All right, and let's put the email ID over here. For example, and in the return value, let's put thanks for ordering. Our executive will get in touch with you soon. Let's modify it a little bit by saying your order will be delivered soon. All right, and let's save it and save and build. All right, so we are done over here, and let's try testing our chatbot, and let's see. What are the starter options you have? Let's order miso soup. and it's now asking me phone and contact number. So let's put something like this. My name is Amit, and contact is this one, and enter. And you can see that thank you, your order for miso soup has been successfully placed and will be delivered soon. Enjoy your meal. And that's it, guys. So congratulations that you have built an AI agent which is taking orders on your behalf. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will deploy this chatbot and actually run an inbuilt app with the QR code so that you will get these search results as well. All right. So I hope you're excited, guys. Let's meet in the next video.